Ever sent a DM to a brand saying, "Hey, I would love to collaborate," but got no reply? Well, that's because you are doing it wrong. So in this video, I'm going to talk about that how to pitch a brand the right way, even if you have less than 1000 followers. Okay, so the very first thing is that brands prefer small creators. Over 70% brands prefer working with micro influencers because they have higher engagement. So no, you do not need 100k of followers to land a good collaboration. Instead, you just need the right pitch. Now, the next thing which you should be keeping in mind is what not to do. Let's fix the biggest mistakes that creators do while pitching the brands. So, the very first thing is that they write, "Hey, let's collab." Now, it's too vague and has no value. The second mistake which they do is by writing, "I have 100k followers. Do you prefer paid deals?" Now, numbers don't sell, but results do. Now, the third mistake that they commit is by writing, "I would love free products in exchange for a post." Now, brands want partnerships and not handouts. Now, let me give you a winning pitch formula. Here's how it works: keep it short, make it about them, and give them proof. And for your help, let me show you an example of how you can pitch a brand. "Hey, write the brand name. I'm obsessed with write the product. It's basically part of my personality now. My audience, then write the name of the niche. Would love it too. Let's create something amazing together." Who's the best person to chat with? Now, if you're thinking to write an email, then make sure that email is professional and persuasive. Now, start by writing the subject as "excited to collaborate with," then write the brand name. "Hi, brand team," then write "I am," then write your name, then your niche, for example, lifestyle, then write "a lifestyle creator who loves," then write the brand name. "My audience is," then write the audience style, and "I would love to showcase," then write the product which you want to collaborate for. Then continue by writing in a way that drives real engagement. Now, if you want to make your email persuasive, then write, "My last post on similar product had XYZ engagement. I have creative ideas for a unique collaboration that feels authentic. Let's chat about a partnership that benefits both of us." Who's the best person to contact to discuss this further? Now, the fourth and the most important thing is that track and follow. Most creators pitch once and then they give up. But don't do this. Follow up in 5 to 7 days. And if you want a detailed video on this, then let me know in the comment.